This is John Hill from Allegiance Technology, and today I'm going to do a short video of the Adjuster Solicitor Loss Report for Hillis Adjustment. The first thing I'm going to do is start filling in the information here by just handwriting in the client's name, and of course I'm a VIP, and I'll put my address in here, which you guys actually already have on file because you guys did some work for me before, which turned out very well. And I'll just put this in, Hapro PA 19040. As soon as I move my pen away from the screen, which you can't see, this will all translate. If it's not 100% sure, if it's recognized, it'll put it in red, only because I have it set that way. And if I review it and it's okay, I can just put a quick check mark, and then it'll turn it to black. So you can see how I can put the information in and there's no problems with spelling. If there was a problem, I could actually just draw a line back through here, and I could go in and I could write over top. So if this was, let's say, Eston Road instead of Exton Road, I could fix it that way, or I could just go ahead and use the keyboard and it would make the changes. One of the nice features of our software is when you're filling it out, there are some fields that may be small. For example, if I try to write in here, my home phone number, I'm gonna, I get to there and then I run out of room. I don't want to go into the next field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my pen over and erase this and show you that all I have to do is just tap once. It opens up this pink box, and that will expand to accommodate the size that's needed. So even if I write big, I can go ahead and do that and it'll translate it just fine. If it doesn't, I can go ahead and just fix it that way. So I'll give you another example. I can just go ahead and 215-620-1675, and it'll go ahead and put it right in there, and if that's fine, I just check it off. What I can also do, I can fill in the emails, addresses, things like that. One of the ways that our forms make your work quicker is, for example, with the adjusters. If you have a list of adjusters, I can just pick them from a drop-down list and enter them in. That way, for some fields that are more common or have a limited number of choices, I can just fill them in through a drop-down. Since this is a mock-up, I didn't do everything, but you can see how you could go down here and I can go ahead and just do check boxes or X's or whatever I like, and it's going to go ahead and change them into marked fields, and those fields are then data points, so that information can be used for your company. So that's just a quick example with this form, and I'm going to send you some other information about how we do the forms as well that'll give you a better idea about some of the possibilities that we can add to how you do your work. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 215-441-5580, extension 101. Thanks.